In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, a social media post, or a presentation, adjusting the font size can make a big difference in the visual appeal and readability of your design. Let's dive into how you can easily accomplish this in just a few steps. First, let's start by opening up your Canva project. So once you're in Canva, you'll need to navigate to the design you're working on. Whether it's a fresh new project or something you've been working on for a while, just open it up on your dashboard. Now, take a moment to identify the text element you want to change. This is important because the next actions are specifically tailored to that piece of text. Now that you've identified your text, click on it. This may seem straightforward, but it's crucial because clicking on the text will highlight it and bring up the text editing options directly above your work area. If you're struggling to select the text, make sure your cursor changes to indicate that the text is selectable, often turning into an I-bar cursor. This ensures that Canva recognizes your action and that you're ready to edit. Once you have your text selected, your next step is to adjust the font size. Above your design workspace, there will be a toolbar that includes various options to customize your text. Look for the font size option. It generally shows a number that represents the current size of your text. You have two options here. You can either use the preset size that's available from a drop-down menu, or you can manually type in the preferred size. Typing in a specific size is particularly useful if you're working with specific design requirements or if you have a specific visual aesthetic in mind. Remember, it's always a good idea to preview how the new size looks on your design. If necessary, tweak the size to get the perfect fit, ensuring that the text remains readable and that it complements the overall design without overpowering other elements. This process is all about making sure your design communicates your message as effectively as possible, so take your time with adjustments. Whether you make the text larger to highlight important information or smaller to save space and focus on visual elements, these changes can significantly impact your design's effectiveness. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to change the font size in Canva. With a few clicks, you can dramatically improve the appearance and readability of your text elements. Don't forget to save your changes and feel free to experiment with different font sizes to find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.